Hello, this video is to demonstrate how to send your worksheets to Notability. This is the Math Student Book for Module 1, Unit 1. So you can see page 1 is right here, and you can scroll all the way down and it looks like there are about 14 pages. So when I'm in a document that I want to send to Notability, I'm going to press the square arrow up in the top right corner. This gives me many options. You might have to scroll through your options to find what you want. We want this one right here that says Notability. If you don't have Notability as one of these options, you're going to tap More and you will find what you need. So right there is Notability. It was already on my options, so I'm good to go. I'm going to tap Notability. You will have two options to create a new note or to add it to an existing note. We want to create a new note. You can give it a title right here. You can change the title. This stands for Bridges, Grade 4, Unit 1, Module 1 Student Book. If you want to change it to Math Student Book, Unit 1 maybe, and then you're good to go there. Okay, so I press back, I change the title, and I want to import all pages. So up in the top corner, I will say Import. And it says one file sent to Notability. I tap Done, go to my home screen, and I need to find the Notability app. You might need to swipe a little bit, and I see where it is. And then here are all of my notes. So here's the new one I just created. It said Math Student Book 1. Okay, and now I just use my pen to write that. So I could grab my eraser tool and erase. If I want to swipe through my pages, I'm going to tap the little hand button at the top of the screen, and that's how I'm going to move the page down. And then I can go back to the pencil and write right on the page, such as a workbook worksheet page. So this problem, I would say something like 4 times 6 equals, and then I can put my answer right here. Up at the top of the screen, I can also press the T if I want to draw a text box instead to type my answer. So here's my text box, and I might need to move my screen up a little bit to see, but then I can say 4, I could use the X for times, 6 equals, and then write my answer also. So then I can move this to where it needs to go. I find my hand tool, and I can tap and move my numbers also. When you're done with this worksheet, the top left corner has the back arrow, and that brings you back to all of your notes that you've created. They'd all be right here that you can go back to it, and it's automatically saves. If you eventually need to send this note to somebody, again, this square arrow up button in the top corner, you can send to email if you wanted to put it in your Google Drive or other things like that, that you'd be able to send to somebody.